This is a metal scanner. I have it on, turn it off, on, and you're gonna hear it beep when it detects the metal here. Here's a piece of metal. You see it light up. Okay, I'm gonna turn it to silent so it's not so annoyingly loud. Now it'll just vibrate. Okay, and as you see, it works with steel. This is the most sensitive setting. You can adjust the sensitivity with this. This is a copper penny. We're gonna see if it sets it off. You can see it does. Okay, let's see if it works with a tungsten ring. Works with tungsten. Lead. Works with lead. And does it work with a small little twisty tie? And it does. Has to get pretty close. And just so you know, there's nothing here. It's an empty tub. And I found out what it doesn't work with is this kind of mylar foil, though this won't set it off. But what will set it off are little foil emblems on a book. That's it. Handle's just plastic. Sensitivity. If I change the sensitivity to the least sensitive, the penny doesn't set it off anymore. Only the big chunk. And this won't set it off anymore. There you have it.